G'day guys, it's Nate. I'm heading up another mountain today. I'm going back up to Springbrook National Park to film some drone footage. I just recently purchased the DJI Mavic Mini 2. I've never had any experience flying drones. This will be the first time. I'm trying to learn kind of the ins and outs of it. Practice makes perfect, so that's what we're doing today. I'm going to show you guys Purling Brook, which is what I spoke of in my first video. I'm just going to head straight up to the top, fly the drone off that bad boy, and pray for the best. So as you guys can see, I just scouted out another spot. Didn't look like it was worth setting the drone up, so we're gonna go to Purling Brook and stick to the original plan. So it turns out that the blades, the propellers are sharp. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, that was pretty nerve-wracking, flying it over a waterfall this big, but we didn't crash, so it was a good tester. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time.